In this session, we're going to improve our size menus by adding a check mark to those actions that's already completed. For example, if you got photos like this, you should have check mark here. And if you got already filled the price, you should have the check mark in the price, etc. Now open our folder under F, Views, Rooms, open Room menu. And in here, I'm going to add check mark to all of menu items by creating span. I'm going to class spoon right to put it on the right of the menu items. And in here, I'm going to create an id with the class equal FA and FA check. This one I got from Font Awesome. All right, I'm going to copy this one to all the menu item just for now. All right, save it. Go here, hit refresh. All right, that looks good. Actually, I'm gonna put the style for this one. It's gonna be text babu. Hit save. Yeah. So I copy this one. Alright, just make it got this color, hit save. Alright, that looks good. Next, we need to check if the user already filled the information for those items. Now, if the answer is yes, then we show the check mark. By default, when you first create the room from the first step, the listing here and the amenities should be marked straight away. The reason for that is because in a listing, we already done that. And for the amenities, it's not mandatory for host to provide all of these options here. So they can leave all the item blank. And that means we only need to check the pricing, description, photos, and location only. Let's go back here. And first, I'm going to check on the pricing. So I'm going to check if we have the room dot price dot blank. All right, and we say exclamation mark here. So that means if the room price is not blank, then we show this. All right, and I'm gonna copy this for the description as well. And in fact, I just need to check if the listing name is not blank. Now the reason here is that we just need to check once if you click on description. All right, for example, you can't leave this one blank. For example, if I hit here, it's saved. See that? Or even this one. If I remove this one and hit save, it still asks you to fill. So basically, we just need to check one item because you can't leave them blank and hit save. So for that reason, we don't need to check a summary here. And here we're going to check for the photos as well. So here we say photos. And we're going to do the same thing with the location. So I just copy and paste. And here we say location. Save the file. Oh, actually this one is address, not location. Save it. Now go back here and hit refresh. All right, so that's cool. We have everything right. The location, we don't have the check mark because we don't have the address here. Lastly, we're going to add a button down here to publish these rooms once everything is ready and all items are checked. If this is the case, and we simply enable the button, and once the user click on that publish button, it will update the active attribute to true. If you open your database in your room object, you have the fields name active. So if active is true, that means this room is published and everyone can see it. All right. Otherwise, it's just in a draft mode. So let's go back here. First, I'm gonna put the HR here. And from here, we just need to create a form We say from for, and we pass the room object. We do f inside here, which first we're gonna add the f.hidden field. For hidden field, we need to say active value, and we set it true. And after that, we're gonna say f.submit publish, and then we say ID for this one. Let's say this one, it could be publish button, and for the class we say btn normal and btn block. All right, hit save, and let's go back here, refresh. Okay, looks like we got the error syntax here, active. All right, so we got nice button here, and once I hit this button, it's going to update the activity to true, because we just passed the active with the value equal true here. But obviously, we need to display this button only if all of the items are checked. For right now, the location, we don't have anything yet, so we need to disable this one. And for that reason, we're going to say disabled the true, and try that. Yep, it disabled. If we click, nothing happened. And from here, we need to create a variable to check the status of that disable, whether it's not ready. And we say is ready equal. First, we need to make sure that this room is not active, and this room dot price is not blank. And also, well, I'm copy. Okay, so we got price, we got the listing name here, and then we got the what else do we need? Photos, and then the last thing is address. All right, so basically I just create a new variable name is ready to check first if this room is not active, and also the price, listing name, everything, photos and address is they all not blank, then this room is ready. And then I just need to pass the is ready here. All right, save. Well, actually it's not ready. All right, so that's mean we're gonna disable this one is everything is not ready, otherwise it's gonna be display. Now hit refresh. All right, awesome. As you can see, it's still disabled because we still not fill the location. Let's say if I type build highway. Let's say that, hit save. Hey, can you see that? First, we got the check mark for the location, and then we got this publish button enable. Beautiful. And right now, if you hit if you hit publish, it says saved, and immediately it's going to disable this one. The reason for that is because right now in the database, if you hit refresh, we got address and we got everything filled up, and also we got active turn to true. And if you go back here, the condition check if the room is not active, but in this case the room is active, so that's why it is ready turn to false. All right, and that's why the publish button is disabled, which is correct.